Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make text-based designs really fast, really easy with zero tech skills, just like the ones you can see on my screen here. You can use these designs to put on any products you want or for print on demand. You can sell these designs as designs, or you can offer this as a service, say on Fiverr or something like that. So without further ado, let's get into it and hit new design over here. Okay, and then all we have to do is simply type our design. So let's go Happy Campers. Whoops, Happy Campers. Dan and Michelle. Colorado. 2022. Okay, so this would be a personalized design. Let's hit this arrow over here, which spits us out 100 or around about 100 different font variations here. So what we can do, if I just stretch this out a bit bigger, make it bigger, I'm going to hit save. Okay, we can then come over here to our design library. We can hit the download button and we can just grab that PNG. That design is now ready to go and use on a product or to sell or whatever you want to do with it. So what I'm going to do is hit delete. I'm going to make something that's a little bit more vibrant. So if you want to spend a little bit more time making your design, we can hit new design. Okay, so let's catch up. The screen recorder really slows my internet down. So let's go Happy Campers, Dan and Michelle, Colorado, 2022. Okay, let's hit play over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to this one here. I'm going to stretch this box, this container out, so we've got a little bit more room. And what I'm going to do is come over here to this side, and I'm going to copy by pressing Command C on Mac, it's Control C on Windows. I'm just going to paste this font in here, so we can copy and paste fonts from box to box. We can also change the color of this to give it a bit more focus on the name. So I'm going to make that red. I'm also going to bold it out a little bit there, and I'm going to perhaps turn the size up a bit to 45 there, so the focus is really on the personalization part there. Just pull that over a little bit like that. I'm going to go ahead, hit save. Okay, and then we'll come across to my designs over here, and we just hit download. We grab that design. It's then ready to go and use on a product. So it's that easy, it's that quick. If you want to check this out, there's going to be a link in the description. You can get a 7-day free trial. So just give it a try, give it a spin, see if you like it, and see what designs you can make with it. Thanks guys, bye for now.